Ford 4-way Windsor stroker on the dyno today. It's got a carburetor. We don't normally do a lot of carburetors anymore. We're selling a lot of EFI stuff. Just got done making about 500 horsepower, over 500 foot-pounds of torque. Has a CBF kit on there. Love the CBF kits. They go together very nice. If you have any questions about any of our builds, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940.
Fire's right up, idles beautifully. We got it set nice and low. You can adjust it where you want it. Beautiful oil pressure, AFRs are perfect. Let's give it a pull. That's at 55. I think it's just sweet. Very nice.